Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in baby products. Today, we're excited to feature what we believe is the best Celtics baby toy, the Learning Lovey Boston Celtics Baby Tag Toy. This adorable and functional sensory toy is a must-have for any Boston Celtics fan with a little one. The Learning Lovey Boston Celtics Baby Tag Toy is a soft, cuddly 10 by 10-inch tag toy designed with your baby's sensory development in mind. Made from plush minky fleece, this toy offers a soothing tactile experience that engages all 5 of your baby's senses. It's the perfect size for little hands to grip, and the ribbons sewn securely into the tags help prevent any accidental pulling or choking hazards, giving you peace of mind as your baby plays. What makes this toy stand out is its combination of safety and fun. Unlike many other crinkle toys, this one ensures the ribbons are sewn into tabs, so no fingers get tangled. It's a double-stitched design, ensuring durability and safety with every play. Plus, it's BPA-free, making it totally safe for babies to explore and chew on. This tag toy isn't just for playtime. It's versatile and can be attached to your baby's stroller, diaper bag, or carrier, making it the ideal on-the-go companion. Whether you're out for a walk or running errands, your little one can enjoy the calming effect of the crinkle sound and soft texture wherever you go. Beyond the sensory benefits, the Learning Lovey Boston Celtics Baby Tag Toy is the perfect gift for any new parent, especially those who are Celtics fans. It comes in the iconic team colors and proudly showcases the Boston Celtics logo, so your baby can start showing team spirit from day one. It's a great way for parents to share their love of basketball with their little ones in a safe and practical way. At Product Critique, we love finding products that blend style, functionality, and safety. The Learning Lovey Boston Celtics Baby Tag Toy does exactly that. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful baby shower gift or something special for your own baby, this toy is sure to delight both parents and little ones alike. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more product critiques from Product Critique.